TeachAnOldDogNewTricks.com. More than 40 hours of free computer training, videos, and tutorials. Are you an old dog? Simply visit TeachAnOldDogNewTricks.com and learn some new tricks for free. Thank you. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Tony Holowitz, and I want to thank you for being here for this tutorial on working with pictures in Microsoft Word. Specifically, I'm going to show you how to insert a picture. Well, the first thing I want to mention is you've heard the old expression of trying to get a rabbit out of a hat. Well, the first trick of getting a rabbit out of the hat is getting the rabbit in there in the first place. You got to know where the rabbit is. You got to get it in the hat. Well, when it comes to inserting a picture, you have to know where that picture is. In other words, let's assume for a moment you have some kind of picture and it's on your computer. Well, is it on the desktop? Is it in the My Documents folder? Where is it located? The first step to inserting a picture is knowing where that picture is located so you can navigate it to insert it. So that's really the first step. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here and I'm going to click on the Insert tab on the ribbon, and I'm going to come over to where it says Picture, and I'm going to click on that. When I do that, it's going to take me into a folder called My Pictures, and here's a picture of Thomas Jefferson right here. So I'm going to click on Insert, and I'm going to insert a picture. Now what I want you to observe is that it put the picture to the right hand side of the text I had created. What I'm going to do temporarily is I'm going to delete this text just to get it out of there, because I just want to be able to work with the picture very easily. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to come here and I'm going to click on the picture. And when I do that, I want you to observe a couple things that have happened. Up on the ribbon, we have a new tab that says Picture Tools Format. Let me click away from the picture to take the selection off, and you'll see that disappears. Again, this is the concept of a contextual tab, meaning it only shows up when you need to use it. So the Picture Tools Format tab has come up. I'm going to come back to this later. What I do want to draw your attention to is when we have a picture that we've selected, we're going to have on each corner a little circle. We're going to have on each side a little square, and on the very top we have a little green arrow. What this green arrow does is it allows you to rotate the picture just by clicking and holding, and then if you just move your mouse to the right or the left, or almost sort of in a circle, you'll see that it rotates the picture. So that's one thing I can do with it, and we'll look at that a little bit more. I'm going to click on Undo to undo what I just did, but the main point I want to make is first, you need to know where the picture is so you can insert it, where it's located on your computer. And second, when you click on the picture, it gives you some opportunities to do certain things by the things on the corners and the sides, and also up on the ribbon we have a new option up here. So in our next tutorial, we'll look at this in a little more detail and give you the ability to work with these pictures a little bit easier. My name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you so very much. Have a great day.